My name is Sean White. I'm 16 and I play high school lacrosse.
When he was born, he had a lipoma right at the bottom of his back. So they had us check it out, and it wound up, it was tethering his spinal cord. So that's considered spina bifida, which has like a scale of 1 to 10. He was about like a 4, I would say.
And it caused a whole bunch of other problems. One of them was where my foot was super arched and my toes were pointing down.
So he was always fine when he was little. You know, little kids don't care that he ran. He was fine. But then as he got older, it got worse. And so it became more difficult until he was becoming painful.
I had just gotten home from practice one day and I noticed that I had a lot of pain in my toes. We called Dr. Frumberg and he told us to come in for an exam, and we decided that we needed to do something.
Sean's one of the coolest kids I've met. He has a problem with his spine that resulted in a pretty abnormally functioning foot. We kind of watched it for a while, and then it got so severe that it started interrupting his ability to play sports and fit into cleats and things like that. What we did is something called a percutaneous osteotomy, which is where I make a very small incision and cut through the bones.
This is a hexapod circular fixator.
And then by mounting a frame on the outside of his body with pins and wires anchoring into the bones, I can reorient them slowly in space while he grows new bone between it to realign his foot. So through 2 very small incisions, we're able to basically realign everything just by using an external device. And we knew that we had 6 months before his lacrosse season. And so now 6 months after the initial surgery, almost to the day, he's doing his physical therapy and he's going to tryouts tonight.
Now I have a brand new foot. I think there's a lot of opportunity to improve. I think I can get a lot better this year than I've been. My dream is to play in college.
I feel great. I think it was a success. I'm hoping it works out. Everything works out. He makes the team and he has a good season and he can move on with his life, Everything will be good.